Today, we're diving into some delectable flavor combinations with our turkey, beet relish, and hummus sandwich. It's a recipe you won't want to miss. First up, the main character, Aunt Nellie's pickled beets. Sweet, tangy, and oh so colorful. Drain and chop your beets, reserving 2 tablespoons of beet liquid for later. Next, let's whip up the vibrant relish. Bell peppers, celery, and a touch of garlic mixed together with the chopped beets for that perfect crunch and flavor explosion. Stir together your reserved beet liquid with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and toss with the vegetable relish. Don't forget to add in some basil too. Now let's talk about our sandwich base. A loaf of French bread ready to hold together all of these delicious flavors. Time to spread the love. We're using Kalamata olive topped hummus for that extra kick. Arrange the spinach leaves over the bottom half of your sandwich. Top with sliced provolone cheese, beet relish, and turkey. Close the sandwich, and there you have it, Aunt Nellie's turkey, beet relish, and hummus sandwich. Stay tuned for more kitchen adventures with our favorite veggies.